Okay, so without giving you all the answers, let's see what we can start with. I know my constant velocity is 32, so that is 32 in 12 seconds. So that's 12 to the third power, whatever number that is. That's a big number. And because that's on the bottom, that's going to be t to the negative 3. So there's where my velocity equals that. And that's after I cut my engine at 12 seconds. So the distance it travels in this box is 32 times 12. And the distance it travels over here is the integral from 12 to some number k of whatever that huge number is, t to the negative 3. So whatever number that is, that's my box number, plus. Now this becomes over 2. That becomes 16 times 12 to the third power divided by t squared from 12 to whatever time. All right, so 16 seconds. 16 seconds is over here. So for 16 seconds, I just plug a 16 into that. And whatever this number is here, which is 32 times 12, plus whatever that number is. Now, I remember from watching your work that you're not necessarily doing them in the right order. This is going to be 32 plus 12 plus, I'm going to plug in the 16 first, that thing, when I plug in a 16, minus that thing when I plug in the 12. I think I remember from your paper that you kept doing those backwards. So just clean that up and see if, following all that, see if that, so that's going to be 16 times 12 cubed divided by 16 squared minus 16 times 12 cubed divided by 12 squared when I plug my 16 and my 12 into there. So whatever answer that cleans up to be ought to be your answer for the first part. And for the second part, we're going to go to infinity. And, sorry, that's going to be divided by negative 2. That's going to make all those negatives. That's going to make all those negatives because it's divided by negative 2. And so anyway, when it comes to rest, k is going to equal infinity. And you might remember that divided by infinity makes that 0. I'm going to send this to you right now. Let me know if that doesn't help. Thanks.